Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Dancehall artist Mavado is gearing up to release his upcoming album. The DJ has been hitting the studio over the last few months as he gets ready to release the project later this year. The title of the album is still unknown. However, Mavado recently teamed up with rappers Cardi B and Tory Lanez over the weekend during the anticipated Summer Jam 2019 concert. Mavado is currently enjoying success with his latest collaboration titled Holy Mountain. The track is taken off DJ Khaled's new album Father of Assad and also features American singer and rapper 070 Shake. Holy Mountain debuted at #1 on the Billboard Reggae Digital Song Sales chart last week. It is also number 99 in the Canadian Hot 100 chart. The song samples late reggae artist Billy Boyle's 1981 smash hit One Spliff a Day. Holy Mountain's official music video has already amassed 7 million views since being released on May 17. The video, which also features Mavado, was shot on location in Jamaica and Miami, Florida. Reggae artist Lee Scratch Perry has released an album dubbed Rainford. The album is described as a mellow, introspective and autobiographical reflection on Perry's life and career. Rainford is Lee Scratch Perry's 66th album. On this record, Perry joined forces with previous collaborator Adrian Sherwood for 2 years, with recordings taking place across studios in London, Brazil, and right here in JA. The album is reminiscent of the Rick Rubin and Johnny Cash American recording series. As it is deeply personal, the project pays homage to many of Perry's past styles. Dancehall artist Jamil is one of 5 acclaimed artists across the world that was selected to be part of Uber's World Cup cricket campaign. The Strongest Soldier DJ is featured on the World Cup cricket anthem, Way-Oh, Way-Oh. The anthem is written by Sonal Debral and curated by composer Michael McCleary and features artists and bands, which includes Sanam the Band, Catherine Taylor-Dawson, Simba Diallo, among others. Jamil is honored to be associated with the talented artists on the track. Uber's World Cup cricket anthem, Way-Oh, Way-Oh, will reverberate across stadiums in England and across the cricketing world as the biggest sporting event of the year, which started last week, continues. Now, American rapper Future is on the verge of dropping his new album, Save Me. This marks Future's second album to be released since the start of the year. The Atlanta rapper dropped his Wizard album back in January. Releasing several projects in 1 year is nothing new for the free band's MC. Future already teased 2 new songs from the upcoming project, Government Official and Xanax Damage. Future Hendrix Presents The Wizard is the rapper's 6th #1 album on the Billboard 200 chart. His new upcoming project is slated for arrival tomorrow. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.